everyone. Today our grade 1 students are here to take you through the world of discipline. Dear friends, do you know we need discipline to protect us from danger and to learn how to get along with others and to learn that society has certain common rules that everyone is expected to live by. Discipline also helps children learn to think in an orderly fashion and helps us to understand. Being disciplined helps us to learn self-control, which builds a healthy self-esteem. Let's watch a small skit to know more.
Hello ma'am, this is Miss Vanya. I am Fahad's class teacher. I am from Akshara Vaagdevi International School. I wish to speak with Fahad's parents. May I know who is speaking, please?
Good morning, ma'am. This is Mr. Daivik, father of Fahad speaking.
Good time to speak to you.
Yes, madam. Please you may.
I have noticed in class that Fahad's homework has always been missing or incomplete. He always falls asleep in class. Even if he is attending, he is often late to class. May I know the reason?
Yes, ma'am, we have same observation. These days he's not listening to us. He's always with computer games and mobile phones. In fact, I was planning to call you and seeking your help. Good that you called. Can you speak to him and guide?
I'll speak to him one-on-one. Hello Fahad, how are you? It looks like nowadays days you're not listening to your parents and you're not attending your online classes regularly. What is this, dear?
I am sorry, madam, how much ever try to get up early. I am unable to do so.
Oh no, what time did you go to bed yesterday?
Till at midnight, ma'am.
Oh no, what will you be doing that late at night?
I love computer games and mobile games. I play them almost every day. Time flies when I play computer games. What should I do? Can you help me?
Why don't you try this? First set your game time and then set the alarm to go off. Limit the hours of playing indoor games. Involve yourself more than playing outdoor games. My dear, I'll reward you when you're done completing your notes and attend your online classes regularly. I wish to see a change, Fahad. You should always lead by example. Do you promise me to do so?
Sure, madam. I promise you to do and be better. Thank you so much, ma'am.
After listening to his teacher, Parth started avoiding computer games. Completed his pending work, he got a reward from his teacher as obedient student. He realized his mistake, he apologized to his parents and promised them to be a loving and disciplined son.
Dear friends, good habits and manners are very important as it means us how to behave in different occasions of life. It is very important for us to have good manners and follow them to lead a disciplined life.